Hello, hi everyone, this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to this session. Am I visible and audible? I guess I'm here, no? Huh. Okay, yes, I am here. Hello, good afternoon. How are you all? Hi Palak, hey Shriya, hi Kriti, hey Shrek, hi Sanvi. I'm doing good, How are you? Hey Naman, hi Shriya, hey Vanshu, hi Srilita, hey Smith. Oh, same here. Hi Mishti, hey Durga. So what's up? How are you all doing? All good? कैसे हो आप? So I don't know. I can't say I'm doing really fine because I don't think any of us are, right? Because if you just look around, the situation is really bad, um, and sometimes I feel like how can we help? So we are not even supposed to step out. So we are like doing few things. So I really miss my family and friends. You all know, as you all know, I live alone, and it's been such a long time since I have met them. So I really miss them. I can't say I'm doing great, but when as a chemistry teacher, or like on YouTube, when we thought what can we do to help people, so this is something, maybe creating awareness, sharing knowledge is also very important, right? Because we all say like oximeter is very important now, but how does it work? What happens when you use it is something which most of us does not know. So before, like I don't know, 15 days ago, when I was in that phase where I thought I might be COVID positive, and like I was really nervous because it was not about me. It was about like, okay, what if I have infected other people? Like what if they have the elders or small babies at their place? What happens? So when this disease affects us, it is so scary. It is because of the people we think about. And then like my friend called me. They were also very nervous, very worried, because I live alone and all that. And then they were like, go get oximeter and just keep checking your oxygen saturation level. Like, what is it? How does it work? Not many of us will know. So that is the reason on this channel, from now we will be doing such videos which will help you. And you can please share this video with your friends and family, relatives, everyone, so that even they will know, okay, like how is it helpful for them during these tough times, right? Online classes are also closed. Yes, even in Karnataka they have imposed lockdown. Saukyama, hi Abhijit, yes. Thank you, Anshita. So that is the reason we will be making these very important videos related to COVID, or maybe like the working mechanisms. So of course what I want to say is, before presenting, before coming live on YouTube, we have done our research, we have read so many articles and everything. So whatever is sure, this is right. So we don't want to give any false information during these difficult times. So isliye this video is for you. So please watch it, share it, and let me know what you think. Okay? Yes, shall we start? Huh? Yes. Okay, so first is like, how does this pulse oximeter work? What exactly is oximeter? So it is something which is used to measure the oxygen saturation level. You all know how important oxygen is for, right? Like in those very cringy movies, there are dialogues where say like, you are like my oxygen, I can't live without you, and all that. So oxygen is very important for our body. So even though we say like respiration makes like oxygen, and then we will inhale, exhale, and all that. So there's alveoli, lungs ka everything. You might know the entire mechanism of how this entire system works. So here in this oximeter, the one of the major symptom of this disease, the COVID, is your saturation level will go down. You will have these problems with the breathing. It is very important for a COVID patient, or if you are having any symptoms, to keep checking your saturation level. I'm sure you must have heard it. So what exactly is oxygen saturation level then? This is very important for us to know what exactly is saturation level. So it is basically a ratio of the saturated oxygen and the entire blood. Saturated bhi hoga, unsaturated bhi hoga. Okay, that ratio is what is known as saturation level. So oxygen saturation level अगर 95 to 100% होगा तो yes, we are healthy, we are doing good, there is no issue related to our breathing or anything. But if it falls down, then there will be few issues, like there will be a problem with the breathing and all that. So it is important for us to know how this oximeter works, right? What is the working mechanism, what is the maybe the science behind it, what is the role of hemoglobin or oxygen in this, है ना? Hi to bolo, हाँ जी, hi Viti. No, I was just telling you about this na. So it is a device used to measure person's oxygen level in blood. Okay, so it tells you about the saturation level. Why do I need it, Shivansh? I'm doing good. The next part is, our next question will be, how does it work? So now we know what is oximeter, what is oxygen saturation level. The next one is, how exactly does it work? Because it's just a device. You will just keep it in between your earlobe or finger, and then you will get to know the oxygen level. How? So it is important to know the working mechanism. So who carries the oxygen in blood? Can you tell me? Hi Divya Ma'am. Who carries the oxygen in blood? This is related to biology, I know. But when it comes to hemoglobin, the iron part, again it is chemistry. है ना? Arteries. Arteries, really? I am not talking about oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, arteries, veins, pulmonary and all that. No, I don't want to know about it. Please, I am done. मैं भूल चुकी हूँ बायोलॉजी को. Hemoglobin, right? RBC, है ना? Yes. So उसमें होगा hemoglobin. So you can see these 4 different units, right? Can you see these 4 different units, children? Blue one and orange and I don't know these 2 colors, green and all that. So each unit can carry a oxygen molecule. Each unit can carry one oxygen molecule. That is how it works, and it will be transferred from the heart, lungs to the different cells and tissues and everything. I'm sure you know. Okay. So now this is the hemoglobin molecule, and you can see the iron part here. Hence the name hematite. Remember the ore of iron. So we use heme for the iron. So hemoglobin, the name is because of the iron which is present at the center. But let's not talk about this complicated structure of hemoglobin. I'm sure you will study in your higher grades. My question is, what is oxygenated blood? So you all know what happens, like heart ka job is only pumping of blood, right? So from tissues they will carry these deoxygenated blood, and then then it will be taken to lungs, where when you inhale oxygen, so that in those alveoli and all that, so the blood will take those oxygen, it will be carried to heart, and heart say to the different cells and tissues and the organ system of the body, right? Now what is oxygenated blood? Can anyone tell me? Hi Sneha, hello, hi Suchi. Blood is a mixture, yes, it's a colloid na, good. So what is oxygenated blood? Blood that contains oxygen. Can I say that in simple words? है ना? Yeah, see, I'm teaching biology also today. What say? Shall I start biology also? Huh? You said twice. I'm sorry, I couldn't see. And so the oxygenated blood is okay. This blood contains oxygen. So as I told you, each unit can bind one molecule of oxygen. So one hemoglobin unit, 4 oxygen atoms. So if blood contains oxygen, it is oxygenated, right? So for example, this is a cell or tissue, whatever. So the blood will go, this will be oxygenated blood, because for the respiration, for the ATP synthesis, everything you need oxygen, right? The glycolysis cycle and everything. So after that, there will be blood which does not contain oxygen, it contains carbon dioxide, right? It is deoxygenated. So deoxy hemoglobin, it won't contain oxygen, but oxygenated, it contains oxygen. है ना? Got it? Got it, children? So this is the major difference between oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Now the question is, I have blood, है ना, body में है. So I'll just keep this device like this and it will tell me about the oxygen level in my body. हाँ, पूरे body में blood है. How does it measure? So how will it be able to differentiate oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? So it uses light to work out the oxygen saturation. Can you see the light here? So this photo, like the light source, so those light, the rays will be detected by a detector which is present here. So this will be the the equipment, okay, the oximeter. So when I keep it like this, there will be a light source here and a photo detector. So what is happening? The light rays are going through my finger, है ना? उसमें कितना absorption होगा? That is important. So light source है, light detector, उसके बीच में there is your finger, है ना? So here the oxygenated and deoxygenated hemoglobin, it absorbs different amount of light. It cannot absorb the same amount of light, है ना? Or different wavelengths. So now you have this red light, okay, and the light receiving detector. There is a detector which detects, okay, so I have received these many wavelengths or this wave of this particular wavelength. So uske beech mein, when the light is passing through the finger, there would have been absorption, but the rate of absorption differs based on the presence of oxygen. Oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood will absorb different amount of light at different wavelengths. So that is the major difference. That is the principle behind this whole working of oximeter. So this oxyhemoglobin has a unique property. So obviously the absorption rate ज़्यादा होगा या कम होगा? You tell me. Low concentration मतलब low absorption. High concentration मतलब high absorption, right? है ना? You're getting it, children? Yes? If you have any doubts, please let me know. Till here everything is clear ना? हाँ. So low concentration होगा तो low absorption होगा. High concentration होगा तो high absorption. So by absorbing how much red and infrared light is absorbed by the blood, I will be able to tell about the concentration of oxygen. But you might be thinking, ma'am, there will be errors as well. Yeah, if you have applied this red or green nail polish, or depending on the size of your finger or the temperature or the pH, there will be errors. Yes. So for example, what I want you to say is, if this device is showing 80%, 82% saturation level, मतलब कितना होगा? Around 80 to 84%. It won't be accurate, but to know the oxygen level, this is a very good device. Okay, so I'm not saying 82% ही होगा. No, you will get a range. Okay, 80 to 84%. If you are not using nail polish, very good. Okay, you don't know what is infrared. It's a kind of radiation, na? IR, IR radiations, right? I'll tell this to Abhishek sir. Wait. It's an electromagnetic wave. So how does it compensate errors? Now you might be thinking, that's what, like the amount of light might be different. This is not the only light source. The size of the finger might differ. If you have applied nail polish, the pH, the temperature. These are few things, few factors that might affect or vary the concentration level. So what we have done is, we have calibrated that device, that oximeter, so it knows itna hona chahiye. So and then if there are any variations, you can see it in the graph. Okay, so it will have that reference curve. We have already, like whenever you use equipment, even in the lab or anywhere, physics mein or chemistry mein, it is very important for us to calibrate it. Okay, इतना है तो इतना होना चाहिए. This is the standard reference. So in the same way, even while they are, producing these oximeters, they would have set this, standard reference. They would have calibrated the device. So the errors will be nullified and you will get the almost accurate result. Okay? Do you know Kannada? Ha, yeah. Do you Kannada? No. I know Kannada? Yes. So what does it mean? Next, आपका, so the thing is, you will get that, the detector will detect the amount of the rays, the wavelength, right? And it will be converted into that digital format which you can see. Okay, the ratio. So these many rays were observed, these many radiations were observed, the amount of light was observed. So what is the amount of oxygen present? So how many oxygenated hemoglobin is present in your blood? So by calculating all that, you will get to know that saturation level. It is said that if the saturation level is, oxygen saturation level is 95 to 100%, very good, it is normal, you are normal. So agar this is 91 to 94, you have this mild hypoxemia. 86 to 90, moderate. Agar the oxygen saturation level falls below 85, then it's not good. There is scarcity of oxygen in your body, which is not good at all. Now if you're wondering what is this HYPOXEMIA, so I have the definition of this. So it is basically, it refers to the low level of oxygen in blood. Okay, and the more general term which you might have come across is hypoxia. So it is an abnormally low oxygen content in any tissue or organ or the body as a whole. So it is not at all good if the saturation level goes below 85. No. So 91 to 94 also it's okay. See, if it's constantly, if it is showing 91, 94, then you have to be really quick, do some breathing exercises and all that. So 95 ke upar hoga, then you are completely fine. The oxygen level in your blood is sufficient. Okay? Hi Netak, hello. Hypo means less, na? Yes. Good. So this is the definition. If you are wondering what is this hypoxemia, it is about the low concentration, low amount of oxygen, low level of oxygen in your body, generally, like to be particular, in blood. है ना? 98 is good. 98 is good, Vidhi. So now please share this video or explain this to your parents, relatives, your friends and everyone, so that now they will know how exactly this oximetry works. Now, so it is a quick, non-invasive and completely painless test. If you are still not very sure about should I use this device or not, because whenever it comes to devices and everything, the first thing is like, what if it hurts? Now, so there won't be it won't be inserted into any part of your body or any openings, no. So that is the reason it is non-invasive. Okay, it is completely painless test because there are no needles or anything here. It is only because of those light radiations, it is figuring out the amount of oxygen level in your blood. So completely painless. So what I would advise is, yes, if you are someone who feels okay, like I might have symptoms, or in your family or in your friends, if they are thoda sa nervous about like what if I have COVID, so it is very important for them to keep checking the oxygen level. So you can tell them about this now, because now you have learned so many things, right? You know the working principle, you know what is oximeter, you know it is painless, you know the principle behind it, you know the errors and how it is being compensated. See, you learn so much. So this is what this session is about. Thank you so much. Pulse rate, not pulse rate G, I'm talking about oxygen saturation level. So Aman, that is the reason, maybe I'm not saying it will be exactly the same percentage, it might vary. Okay, Now thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And if you want to take up the pro subscription, because nowadays like offline classes have been cancelled, and in few schools even they are cancelling the online classes also. So how will you complete the entire syllabus? How will you revise? Where do you get the notes from? So in these difficult times, so we have pledged that the master teachers, Vedantu master teachers, will be with you. So there has been so many examples, you know, like I don't want to take names, where even though they were COVID positive, our master teachers, the brave master teachers, have still taken sessions. So you know, that will tell how dedicated we all are to make sure that every kid out there is getting the good quality education. So you can visit the link which is given in the description and take up the pro subscription. If you're wondering like, idhar to we are studying freely, so there the advantages, the benefits are more. Okay, so you will be able to watch the replay, and then you can play the quiz. Even if you couldn't attend the live session, you will get the notes after every session. Okay, इतना सारा advantages है. So अगर आपको अच्छा लगे, so you can just go visit the link first. Only if you are happy, if you are satisfied, you can continue, because that is the reason we have these 1 month का courses as well. So you can try it out. अगर अच्छा लगेगा, I'm sure अच्छा लगेगा, then you can continue. Okay, thank you so much. वेदांतु है ना? हाँ जी. Hi Hardik, hello. So new batches have been started already. So I don't know how many batches I am taking. I have to count. So and the new batches where I'll be teaching you chemistry will also be starting. Okay, from next week. So if you have not taken the subscription, you can, so that you can learn from amazing class teachers. Yay, Suryan! Yes, I remember you. Yay, Aman, that's nice. Yes, you can. See, you can even use the earlobe pe bhi, like they will use it, finger pe. Hanji, you can. Please take class for class 10. Hanji, Satish, where? Speak in Kannada. Hello, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? My favorite sport? I like football and volleyball. तुसी जा रहे हो, तुसी ना जाओ. Okay, what's up? So if you have any doubts, you can just reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. Yes, Malhar, I read it. Such a beautiful gift. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Ha, Kushi. Yes, dear. What's up? What happened? Don't tell Hindi. Matlab, I don't know Hindi. That's what you're saying. Haan, Naitik knows. Bye-bye. Please take care. I'll see you tomorrow. There is this one super interesting session. I'm sure you will love it. So I'll be back soon. Till then, please take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.